Hey guys and girls, so today I'm going to be showing you one method of removing nails. There's multiple ways out there, but sometimes, like in this case here, I'm trying to break apart an old set of stairs. The nails are really hard to get to. They were fastened with a pneumatic nailer, so the heads are actually sunk in. I actually blew apart the other side just by taking a sledgehammer and a block of wood to blow off the one stringer, but it's proven to be a little difficult on this side, so I'm going to show you how to do this quickly and easily and safely. So as always, safety glasses. You don't have to use earplugs, but this can get a little bit noisy with metal on metal. This is just, I know it's just a cheap Mastercraft framing hammer, 22 ounce. You can see all the knurling's gone on it, but I find that this hammer works really well for demo work. It didn't cost me very much, so if it happened to break, you know, I'm not going to lose too much sleep over it. And then, as you can see here, this just happens to be a Stanley version of a nail puller. Sometimes they're called a cat's paw, and works really well for getting in there. You can drive it this way, you can drive it on this way, works really well. So that's how easy it is. Nice and simple, safe, as long as you wear the right protection. You got to worry about metal shards that might fly off either the hammer or the nail remover, nail puller. But if you follow the right precautions, take your time, easy peasy. Doesn't leave the best finish on the wood, so if you're trying to save something, it's not good for finish work. It's more for rough carpentry. But yeah, I hope you guys found this this video informative. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Comment. Until the next time.